Welcome to Gallabox tutorial series. Today, we're excited to show you how to integrate WhatsApp forms into your WhatsApp template messages. Let's start by navigating to WhatsApp templates on the left-hand side menu. Click on the Create New Template button in the top right corner. Give your template a clear and descriptive name in the template name field. Now, let's categorize it. Click on the Select Category drop-down and choose the most fitting option. We have utility templates for more specific needs and marketing templates for promotional messages. In the message header field, enter a concise and engaging header text like feedback time. You can also choose to use an image, video, document, or location as your message header for added visual interest. In the message body section, you can even add a personal touch. Edit the text to include a greeting using a variable like name. To help the WhatsApp template approval team understand this variable, enter some sample names in the sample value field. Click on the Add a Button drop-down and select Forms. A drop-down menu will display all the pre-built WhatsApp forms you've created. Select the most relevant form. Finally, enter clear text for the CTA button in the field. On the right side, you can preview how the entire WhatsApp template will appear to your customers. Once you're happy with everything, click the Submit for Approval button in the top right corner. A quick pop-up will appear to confirm your submission. Just click Understood to acknowledge. Once you've submitted your template, Meta will review it for approval. Click the Sync button in the top right corner to keep an eye on the template status, submitted, approved, rejected, etc. Once your template gets approved, share it via the Compose box for one-on-one messages, send it to a large audience through broadcasts, or even integrate it into automated sequences for a more personalized touch. To check the WhatsApp flow responses, simply go to the Flows section in the left navigation bar. Select the flow you wish to review, and a complete list of responses will be displayed. Thank you for watching. What other Gallabox features would you like to see next? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.